This is Gezi Radio from a window on Taksim Square. By now you all know that Gezi Park was evacuated at gunpoint yesterday. The families, the students, the volunteers. We have a message for people following foreign media. We are not here to give you just another account of police violence, because media is already very graphic about it. It's of course very important to give you a feel of what we are going through, but please remember that we are here because we have political demands. These demands are still unanswered. There are 5, and the most important of them is that we want our public spaces to remain as such. We are citizens, we have a right to organize, to gather, to discuss, to express. This freedom is nothing Prime Minister Erdogan has offered us. He offered us to wait for a court verdict, and he proposed a referendum while sending his police at us. A referendum is not even a compromise, because public space is a right, and you cannot decide to give up a right, everybody's right, every citizen's right, upon individual preference. You cannot decide for your neighbors, your children, the children of your children, because it's not a matter of choosing a new government, it's a common good that you're gambling on. Therefore, Prime Minister Erdogan has not offered us anything concrete, unlike what the foreign media is saying. He has evacuated us with the use of disproportionate force from a park which we were not occupying, we were using it, because it's a public square and therefore it's ours. And if he takes the square away from us, we will express ourselves in the street, as we tried to do all night last night. And if his police and gendarmes take our streets, we will express ourselves from our windows. This is why we're here. It is not because we enjoy tear gas, barricades, shots, and being photographed. We are not victims. Please do not focus on police violence. It is terrible, it is traumatizing, but we are here because of a struggle. It's a struggle against making profit out of our common goods. It's the struggle of our Greek brothers rallying against the cut on the national radio television. It's our brothers in Italy, the Notav, resisting the Inder Valley against billionaire contracts, evicting them from their common land. It is São Paulo. We are citizens. We have a duty to defend our commons. We have no right to bargain. And this is Gezi Radio from Taksim Square.